Welcome back. In the last lecture we have seen what is Bode plot, its application and how to sketch the exact Bode plot from the given open loop transfer function. In this lecture we will see how the Bode plot can be used to analyze the closed loop stability. So let us start with it. So let us consider one sample representative Bode plot. Here we have magnitude, or I will write magnitude m in dB, and here we have phase in degree. So let this be the point 0 dB and let this be minus 180 degree, and let us consider one Bode plot as so. As we have seen in the last lecture, the frequency at which gain plot cuts 0 dB line is omega gc, or phase gain crossover frequency. The point at which phase plot cuts minus 180 degree line is phase crossover frequency, and then from the projection we get this as gain margin and this one as phase margin. And this gain margin and phase margin can be written as gain margin is equal to 0 minus magnitude of g of j omega h of j omega at omega equal to omega pc, and phase margin is equal to 180 degree plus angle of g of j omega h of j omega at omega equal to omega gc. So once these two margins are obtained, then the stability is decided as the system is stable if gain margin and phase margin are positive. Let us mark it as 1. 2. The system is unstable if gain margin and phase margin are negative. And third one is the system is marginally stable if gain margin is 0 dB and phase margin is 0 degree. Very clear. So what will be the steps in analyzing the stability? The first step will be for the given transfer function g of s h of s, sketch the Bode plot. Then next, determine gain crossover frequency, phase crossover frequency, gain margin and phase margin, and then investigate the stability as if gain and phase margin are positive, system is stable; if they are negative, system is unstable; and if both are 0, system is marginally stable. And in all cases, if gain margin is positive, the phase margin is also positive. It will not happen that gain margin is positive and phase margin is negative. Either the both are positive if both are negative, or both are 0. This is the case. Now let us see the typical Bode plots for stable, unstable and marginally stable system. So Bode plot of stable system. Actually what we have drawn here is a Bode plot of stable system, but let us redraw it. Gain plot and phase plot. is for magnitude and for phase. So if this one is the magnitude plot and let this be the phase plot, then this is the phase margin and gain margin. So in this case what we can see is omega GC is less than omega PC. So if omega GC is less than omega PC, gain margin and phase margin are positive and system is stable. What happens? So you can see whenever the gain crossover frequency is less than phase crossover frequency, at phase crossover frequency the gain has moved down and it is negative. So 0 minus negative becomes positive. And this is applicable for a non-minimum phase, minimum phase systems. Then next, in the same case, at omega GC, the phase is less negative than minus 180. So 180 plus this phase is positive. Now what happens if omega GC is greater than omega PC? So that is nothing but Bode plot of unstable system. So in this case it will be, let this be gain plot, let this be phase plot, 0 dB minus 180 degree, and let the plots are of so this is omega PC, omega GC, and here this will be the gain margin. So 0 minus the positive value becomes negative, and same time here the phase here is more negative than minus 180. So if we add this value to 180, the phase margin is negative. So if omega GC is greater than omega PC, gain margin and phase margin are negative and system is unstable. Now if we consider the third case, that is Bode plot of marginally stable system. So let us consider it. This is omega, variable is omega on x axis. Let this be the magnitude plot, and this is the phase plot. So here we have omega PC, omega GC. So gain at omega PC is equal to 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And same way, phase at omega GC is minus 180 degree. And minus 180 plus 180 is 0. So at omega equal to omega PC, gain margin equal to 0 dB, phase margin equal to 0 degree, and system is marginally stable. So these two formulae are very important. If we have the magnitude or gain at omega PC, say for example, gain at omega PC is minus 4 dB. then gain margin will be 0 minus minus 4, that is plus 4 dB. And say phase at omega GC is minus 140 degree. So phase margin will be 180 plus minus 140, that is 40 degree. So in this case, in this particular example, gain margin is 4 dB, phase margin is 40 degree, and hence the system is stable. So it is very simple. Once you get the Bode plot, it is very simple to investigate the closed loop stability from open loop transfer function. It is enough in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will see how to sketch the asymptotic Bode plot. Thank you.